Hi everyone, this is me Saminzi. Welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here with a new tutorial of hoop earrings. We will make hoop earrings with 4 colors pearl beads, very different, very stylish design, pearl beads design, floral design hoop earrings. I hope my lovely viewers will like it, and today's tutorial will be very interesting for all my viewers. Very beautiful colors, combinations, and you can make your own choice color hoop earrings. I used 4 colors, and 5th color is white, and seed beads will be also used in this pattern. First of all, we will prepare round wire for hoop earrings wire. We will make loop. Now we are adding pearls, white pearls to hoop wire. 8 pearls will be added here because we will make 8 flowers on this wire with different color pearls, and white color pearls will be used as a center bead of each flower. We made a loop. After adding white pearls, we made hoop air wire loop, and now we are starting making first flower. We picked 3 purple pearls for first flower. We will set these 3 beads, pearl beads, around 1 white pearl. 1 white pearl will be the center bead. After adding 3 pearls in purple color, we wrap our fishing wire, our thread, around wire 2 or 3 times or 4 times. We have to wrap our this thread, this fishing wire, around ear wire to fix our beaded flower. After wrapping this thread 3 or 4 times, we will make next flower. We have picked grey color pearls, 3 pearls for next flower, and now we are wrapping thread around ear wire. As you can see, and now after fixing this flower beads, we will add 3 more pearls of grey color around this white pearl. 3 more pearls, and now we will add 3 pearls passing through previous pearls we added, and in this way we completed 3 flowers, and we will continue making more flowers following the same pattern. As you can see, now I am making yellow pearl flower, 4 colors. We are using 4 color pearls in this pattern for flowers, and 5th color is white, which is the center bead color. And now 3 more yellow pearls I'm adding, and I'm passing through 3 pearls, previous pearls, to stable this flower. You can see 4 flowers are ready. Very easy pattern, no difficult pattern, very easy and elegant design, floral design. Now again one more pearl in pearl bead flower in purple color we are making, and in this way, following the same pattern, we will make total 8 flowers, pearl flowers on hoop ear wire. You can see after making each flower, I am wrapping my thread again and again around the wire to stable the flowers. At the end, one more step will be done with these flowers to stable these flowers. As you can see, now 8 flowers we have made with different color pearls, and after this we are taking next step, very interesting but very important step, which will make our flowers stable on wire. We will add seed bead between joining two beaded flowers, pearl flowers. As you can see, between two, it is the joining part. 2 beads, 2 pearls will be joined with 1 seed bead, and we will do this step on both sides, right side and left side of flowers. We will add between 2 pearls 1 seed bead. This step will make our flowers stable on hoop ear wire, and this is very important. If you skip this step, your flowers will not be stable on wire. So when you will do this step at the end, you will see our flowers are set, all flowers are fixed on ear wire, and in this way we have enhanced the beauty of our earrings. Now you can see our earrings are ready. Very easy, very simple but very elegant. You can make with your own choice colors, pearl beads, your own hoop earrings. And now I am showing you, as usual, the last moments. As usual, I add photographs of today's project, videos, video clips and photographs. Now I will say bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.